Hey, this is messages for whoever wants to remove a panel from the Smart LED Gen 8 quick install panel. So the first thing you have to do is you have to understand it's a 1x2 block, and each panel is 1 foot by 1 foot, and it has four lock systems. So as you can see here, I've already inserted the tool, and then now counterclockwise, it's just finger tight. That unlocks it, clockwise locks it. That's lock. This is unlock. So I removed one lock. Now I'm gonna look for the whole. It's not the screws, you see. It's not this. The screws, you don't need to remove those. These screws are holding off all the baseball hat protectors of every one. What you have to look for is this weep hole. This is the weep hole that you have to put the tool in right there. So when you find it, you'll just drop the tool. They're kind of hard to find, but you'll just drop the tool in there, see, like that, until it sits down, and then go clockwise. It's just finger. It's very, here, let me see. It's very easy. You just go with the finger. You don't have to do a lot of strength, just a little bit. 2 fingers, unlock. Then the third one is on the bottom right corner, unlock, and then the fourth one is on the top right corner right there. Okay, and let me see, put it down, and unlock right here. Let's just see that, unlock, see? Okay, now once all of them are unlocked, you just pull, you keep the tension on this, and you pull, and then the panel will come loose, see? And it'll leave this. Okay, then I'll show you how it looks like from the back. See, this is the panel right here. These are the locks, see? Now, before you put the new panel in, make sure that all the locks are horizontal, just like that, okay? And make sure that the panel is facing up. This is just a test panel, but all the production panels have an up arrow. And make sure that it's facing up, and then you just seat it right there. You just seat it right here, see? And then you push it in on the center, okay? And when you push it in on the center, then you go ahead and you go to the weep holes and you lock them all into place, okay? Just like this, okay, lock, that one's locked. Then the next one, lock. You'll feel that you can't go anymore, then it's locked. And then there's the fourth one. I gotta pull this thing up so I can show you properly, okay? And then the fourth one, the third one right here on the top left, top right. And then lock it right there. And then the final one on the top left right here. And then that's it. Once it's locked, you'll see it'll be like even from the side. Okay, and you can actually pull on it and it won't come loose. And that's how you change a Smart LED panel with a tool.